Here we are, Space Internet Solution over in Sandbach this afternoon. Installing a Starlink for the customer. Here we've installed a 12x12 galvanised bracket, 2.5 foot mast, clear line of sight, wired down behind this downspout along the top of that lip, down behind this downspout, along and through the mortar there, into a little comms rubber cupboard that they had inside. We've also wall mounted the Sky Glass TV 65 inch and fitted a deco mesh system all throughout his house. Customers now receiving speeds of over 250 megabytes per second. This is Aaron for Space Internet Solutions.